Hello friends, today we learn about Top Girls. Top Girls is a novel by Carol Churchill, and this Top Girls novel also describes about feminism point of view. Let's first come to know about the novelist of the Top Girls novel, that is Carol Churchill. Carol Leslie Churchill is a British playwright whose work has been associated with surrealist and postmodern theatre. She was born in London on September 3, 1938. After World War II, she was moved with her family to Montreal. Her alma mater was Oxford University, where she earned BA in English Literature. During her time at Oxford, Carol Churchill wrote her 4 plays. First play is Downstairs. Second is You Have No Need to Be Frightened. Third is Having a Wonderful Time, and fourth and last one is Easy Death. In 1972, she wrote Honors, a 2-act 14-scene play. Honors play, which is written by Carol Churchill, having 14 scenes, and this is a 14-scene play and also be written in 2 acts about obsession with power. During this period, she also wrote Objections to Sex and Violence. Her work Top Girls also based on feminism. Introduction to Top Girls. Now we come to know about Top Girls. Top Girls is a novel. Top Girls work of Carol Churchill based on feminist point of view. This is the first important theme of this novel. And this play also be written in 3-act plays, and second act has 3 scenes. This novel is also be divided into 3-act play, and the second act of this novel has 3 scenes. Every scene of play is based on different setting and plot. Top Girls is an agency run by Marlene, protagonist. Now, the first and important character, which is the protagonist of this novel, that is Marlene. And this Top Girls also be called an agency, which is run by Marlene, the protagonist of the novel. We can see all women character in Top Girls. Top Girls also be based on the women characters. Marlene and her guest friendly, basically women, come in her party, which she has organized because of her top promotion in Top Girls. When the protagonist of the novel, that is Marlene, also gets a promotion in, and then she gives a party, and in the party she also invites all her women guests. Employment agency, and in this dinner party, every woman share her problem and describes every incident of her life. Marlene's daughter Angie takes care by Joyce, Marlene's sister. Marlene also has a daughter, and her name is Angie, which is also be under the taken care of her Marlene sister, that is Joyce. At last we come to know that Angie is real daughter of Marlene. In the whole novel we come to know, we thought that Angie, which is the real daughter of Marlene, is the real daughter of Joyce. But at last in the novel we come to know that Angie, which is taken care under by Joyce, is the real daughter of Marlene. Angie hates Joyce, but Angie doesn't like Joyce because Marlene gives birth to Angie, and her likes, dislikes doesn't match with Joyce. In this work, all women shares a story and describes how they reach top from bottom after facing incidents in their lives. In this novel, every woman, means every guest or every friend of Marlene, the protagonist of the novel, when she invites all women in her party, she also describes it all women based on different incidents and different problems of their life. And in the party, all women characters also shares her problems and describes how they reach to top from bottom. The women character name, that is Isabella, Griselda, Lady Nijo, Pop John, and except Marlene, all women share story of their dead babies. मतलब एक तरह से ये फेमिनिज्म पर बेस्ड है. दूसरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इसका ये था. Let's come to know about some themes and important point of view of this novel. The first important point of view, that this novel was based on feminism. Second is Top Girls title, also based on agency. Third, the protagonist, that is Marlene, also runs the agency, and all the women characters share her problem and describes how they reach to top from the bottom. The next important theme of this novel, that is Marlene. Marlene also has a real daughter of her own, that is Angie, but she's taken care by Joycey. Why she taken care by Joycey? Why Marlene doesn't take her responsibilities? She is not able. तो ये सब आपको नॉवल को रीड करके टेक्स्ट वाइज आपको सीन वाइज एक्ट वाइज आपको ये पता लगेगा. और वाई Angie hates Joycey, why Angie loves Marlene, because her likes and dislikes also be matched with Marlene, not with Joycey. Then the next point of this novel we come to know about the Top Girls Employment Agency gives promotion to Marlene, and Marlene also be reached to top, and when she gets the promotion, then she also provides a party, and she invites all of her women's guests, and all women character also shares her problems and describe that how they reach top from the bottom. Marlene, this is the protagonist of the novel. Top Girls present in Act First, where she presents to be promoted on top level in Top Girls Employment Agency. She gets promotion in place of Mr. Haddock. Mr. Haddock also be works in the agency, and Mr. Haddock's place also be takes by Marlene, and Marlene also be gets promotion in place of Mr. Haddock. And then what is the problem creates between Mr. Haddock and Mr. Haddock's wife, and conflict between with Marlene also come to know. Marlene runs Top Girls Employment Agency. Nil and Win, also two girls also work in Top Girls Employment Agency, that is Nil and Win. Under Marlene, sometimes Nil feels jealous to Marlene that how she gets promotion before her in place of Mr. Howard. Means jealousy also be creates. Marlene throws a dinner party and invites her women guest Isabella, Lady Nijo, Bob, John, Griselda in party. Every woman shares her life incidents and how they reach to top. Guest stories based on historical, fictional, and also in myth. Then we come to know about the guest stories, which is also be invited by Marlene when she gets a promotion and she has a party. Each of the guests of Marlene have their own story based on historical, myth, and fictional women who faced adversity and suffered bitterly to attain goals in their lives. फर्स्ट इज़ लेडी नीचो. लेडी नीचो अपनी जो लाइफ की जो उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो डिस्क्राइब करती हैं. लेडी नीचो रिकॉल्स हाउ शी केम टू मीट द एक्स एम्परर ऑफ जापान एंड हर इनकाउंटर विद हिम. While the rest of women can think rest means rape, but Lady Nijo thinks that the purpose for which she was brought up is based on destiny when she met ex-emperor. Pope John, description about religion, she was stoned to death when it was discovered that she had given birth and she was female and committing heresy. Griselda. Griselda was told that her 2 children had been killed in a cruel test of her loyalty to her husband. Lady Isabella married the doctor and devoted herself to caring for him through his long-last illness. After his death and her own charitable work, she experienced a return of her own nervous illness, the result of trying very hard to cope with the ordinary drudgery of life. Next point is Top Girls describes that Joycey, that is Marlene's sister, brought up Angie's Marlene daughter. What is the reason? What is the reason that Marlene gives her daughter Angie to Joycey, her own sister? In the Top Girls, when Marlene throws party, then every woman shares about their dead children except Marlene. Marlene doesn't describe that she has a real daughter which is taken care by her own sister Joycey. In the whole work Top Girls, Marlene never share anything about her daughter Angie, who is under care of Joycey. When Marlene becomes pregnant, then she was only 17, and they didn't tell anyone about it because it was too late for abortion. Joycey and her husband Frank offered to take the child because they had been married for 3 years and had no children of their own. Then Joycey and her husband also decided to take care of Marlene's daughter Angie. Marlene leaves Angie to Joycey and goes on another city to start her career and comes in promoted in top level Top Girls Employment Agency. Next point is Marlene emerges on Mrs. Kidd because Mrs. Kidd wants that Marlene steps down and gives her position to Mr. Haddock. Mrs. Kidd is the wife of Mr. Haddock. When she comes to know that Marlene also gets promotion in her husband's place, then she comes to Top Girls Employment Agency and asks to Marlene that she is not able to on this top level of employment agency and gives back this job and this post to her husband. Marlene gets promotion in top level of Top Girls Employment Agency. Mr. Howard wives Mrs. Kidd wants that Marlene decides to step down from this promotion because according to Lady Kidd, her husband deserves this level of promotion. Mrs. Kidd comes to meet Marlene. At first, Marlene thinks that Lady Kidd comes here to see her husband, but it turns out that Mrs. Kidd is there to see Marlene. She claims that Howard, her husband, has been a nervous wreck after Marlene got promoted instead of him, and asks Marlene to withdraw from the promotion and allow Howard to move up instead. Marlene asks to Mrs. Kidd to go outside of Top Girl's employment agency and don't talk like this to her. At last, Marlene enrages and shouts on her. Marlene, as an interviewer, takes an interview of Jenny. Now, Jenny also become in Top Girl's employment agency to get a job, and Marlene also gets her interview. In Act 2nd, Scene 1st, Marlene in Top Girl's employment agency as an interviewer takes an interview of Jenny. She wants a new job because there are no prospects for advancement in her current position. Jenny is currently working as a secretary after having started as a typist. Her boss are all male. She has no opportunities for advancement and she wants to change. Jenny is only 21 years old and she tries for advertising. Marlene asks if there is a particular kind of company she wants to work for. Marlene suggests that vacancies in advertising firms, and she also suggests two alternate openings, one at a company that makes niche beer and the other is Lamb's Hits. Angie shows her hate to Joyce and loves to Marlene. Angie absence of knowing that she is real daughter of Marlene. Now the point is that Angie starts to hate Joyce and she starts to love Marlene. She thinks that Marlene is her aunt and Joyce is her mother, but she doesn't treat her as a mother and she loves Marlene. And Angie's absence of knowing that she is real daughter of Marlene. Angie doesn't know that she is the real daughter of Marlene, not real daughter of Joyce. Carol Churchill Topples describes that Marlene gives her daughter Angie to Joyce, Marlene's sister, for care, and when Marlene becomes pregnant, then she was only 17. Joyce and her husband had no child, and because of the stress, Joyce has lost her child 2 times. Angie brought up by Joyce and lives far from Marlene. Angie thinks that Joyce is her mother and Marlene is her aunt. Angie enrages on it and her neighbor friend and asks her that she doesn't like her mother and she wants to live with her aunt Marlene because she provides employment to others. In this novel, we also come to know that how a daughter also will live far from her mother. What is the reason that her mother also abandoned her daughter and gives to her own real sister to take care of her daughter? And when Angie comes to know that she is the real daughter of Marlene, not the real daughter of Joyce, whom she hates too much, and she also likes Marlene as her aunt, but when she knows that she is her real mother, then she also starting to love her. And it is also described that when Marlene becomes pregnant, she was only 17, and Joyce and her husband also have no any child, so they decided to take care of her daughter, and but she doesn't attach with them too much. Angie comes to London to meet Marlene in her Top Girl's employment agency without telling to Marlene. When Angie loves Marlene and she goes to London and meet with Marlene without knowing to anyone. Also, Marlene doesn't know that Angie comes to meet her. Angie surprisingly and shockingly comes to meet Marlene, her aunt. But who is her real mother? Alone to London to meet her without telling herself. Marlene firstly doesn't recognize her, but shockingly at last she comes to know that she is Angie, her own real daughter. Marlene feels shocked to see her. It is clear that they have not seen one another for a very long time. Angie tells her aunt Marlene that she has quit school and left her mother, Joyce, behind. She came to London in one-way ticket and is hoping to stay with Marlene. Marlene relents and allows Angie to stay. Nil and Win, two other women who also works in Top Girl's employment agency under Marlene, are also working with Marlene in Top Girl's employment agency, present in front of us either as a worker, sometimes sharing gossips. Nell and Win also works in Top Girl's employment agency with Marlene and present or appearing in front of us either as a worker or either also be sharing and changing gossips with each other. Nil sometimes feels jealous about promotion of Marlene, how she gets promotion in place of Mr. and how she gets promotion in a very early age, very early time. She feels upset for herself that how she leaves behind by Marlene and she gets promoted in top level in Top Girl's employment agency. Vin meets Louis and Louis describes how she dedicates her life to her job. She finds herself 46 and has no husband left outside her work. Now another character also become as a worker who also wants to join Top Girl's employment agency. And Janet meets Vin in Top Girl's employment agency and shares her problem with Vin. She says that she has no life outside her work. Jenny said that she has no life outside her work and she has no husband at all. And she also describes that how she sacrificed her life for her job, and she dedicates her whole life to her work and having no husband life outside her work. She works after evening without having reward. She is in a position where she trains men and men get promotion over her. Again, feminism and male patriarchal society. Arrival of Shona in Nell's office looking her for job opportunities. Next is Shona, again come another character who also wants a job in Top Girl's employment agency, which also be interviewed again under Nell. In Top Girl's employment agency, other character Shona also arrives in Nell's office looking for job opportunities. At first, Nell is impressed by her surprisingly accomplished resume, but quickly figures out Shona is underage and make it all up as she goes. She is not eligible. Shona wants a higher title and wants someone change. Nell tells Shona that Shona might be a good employee for the Top Girl's employment agency. Shona discusses about her job to selling washing machines, selling dishwashers, which has been lying by Nell. Nell feels frustrated and thinks that Shona wastes her time. Now the next point is Joyce and Marlene talk about the future of Angie, which is in darkness. Last act of the work is in flashback. Now Joyce and Marlene also comes to know about and comes to discuss about the future of Angie. Angie, Marlene and Joyce are all together in the kitchen, and Angie is happy to know that Marlene, her aunt, comes and stays with her because she likes Marlene. After going Angie with kids, Joyce and Marlene talk with each other. Marlene talks about Angie's future, that what she wants to do, what she wants to become. Marlene asks if Angie wants to become teacher, nurse or work with kids. Then Joyce tells her sister that Angie has not thought much about her future and she is not clever about like Marlene. Now in this novel we also comes to know about some important points, important themes. First is what is the title, what is the meaning of the title of the novel of Carol Churchill, that is Top Girls. So in this novel we also come to know that Top Girls is based on feminism. This is the first important point. Male patriarchal society, this is the second point. Top Girls is also be based like a Top Girls employment agency, which is also be run by the protagonist of the novel, that is Marlene. Another important point is that we also come to know that in this novel there are many women characters, not male character at all. And so the plot of this, the setting and the plot of this novel is also be based on Top Girl's employment agency. Like Nell and Vin also be sharing gossips with each other. Marlene takes an interview of many other employees, and it is also based on that she also gives a party, throws a party, and many other women characters shares her problem, and many women describes it how she gets a job at Top after many sacrifices. And when we come to know about some important point which also be based and connect with the life of Marlene, that is Marlene also has a real daughter, that is Angie, which is taken care by Joyce, her own sister. Because when Marlene becomes pregnant, she is only 17 years old. It is true that she's abandoned by her lover, and she's unmarried, and she gives her daughter to her sister Joyce, because Joyce has no daughter for a long time, and she decided to take care of her daughter and take care of daughter of Marlene. But Marlene's daughter Angie doesn't attach so much to Joyce. She hates Joyce and she loves her aunt Marlene because she doesn't know that Marlene is her own real daughter. And Angie is not too much serious about her future, about her career. She is not clever like Marlene, and Marlene also get a promotion in a very early age in Top Girl's employment agency. Jealousy and how she gets promotion of many other women character also be creates in this novel, we also see. And in this novel we also know that that Angie also goes to London to secretly meet Marlene without knowing anyone, and Joyce and Marlene also doesn't know about her presence. and she doesn't know that Marlene is her real daughter, but Marlene knows that Angie is her real daughter. And this is the main important point and the main important theme of this novel. And this is almost based on feminism or male patriarchal society. Like, we conclude this novel, that conclusion of Top Girls without revealing that Angie is real daughter of Marlene. All these points which I have described to you, that is also be based on the conclusion. You can conclude all this with these points. At last, in the Top Girls, Carol Churchill reveals that Angie is real daughter of Marlene. It is revealed in this novel. And at last in the novel, we also come to know that she is not clever like Marlene. She is not, because she is takes care by, she is giving birth by Marlene, but takes care by Joyce. At last in the novel, Joyce and Marlene also talks about Angie and Marlene's pregnancy. At last, when Angie comes inside room of Marlene and speaks her mom, then for keeping her secret, Marlene asks Angie that she has looked bad dream. Marlene doesn't show her that she is her real mother. She doesn't give her chance to speak mom. Angie says frightening to Marlene, and then play ends. Top Girls novel is based on the feminism, mostly female character to be the part of the work of Carol Churchill. Top Girls and Marlene and Angie both play their role fantastically, and at last the secret reveals about the relationship of Angie and Marlene in the Top Girls novel by Carol Churchill. So thank you so much. This is the main important theme of the Top Girls novel by Carol Churchill. So share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.